How to screen mirror Android phone to TV for free. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can screen mirror Android phone to TV for free. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to screen mirror your Android phone to TV for free, all you need to do is go ahead and open up your device first, and you can drop down your notification bar and you'll be finding different options available here. So from this menu, if you are on specifically on a Samsung phone, all you need to do is go ahead and tap on the Smart View option. Just go ahead and open it up and you need to turn it on. So for that, you need to go ahead and select up your TV from this section. After that, you just need to select your desired TV from the available devices, and that should do it. That should basically help you mirror your screen. After it is connected, confirm the message in your TV as well. Go ahead and open up your TV, use the same application, your screen mirroring and different settings available from your TV as well. After that, connect each other, and whatever you play on your phone, it will be displayed on your screen of your TV. So it is a free method you can apply up. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.